One might say that I'm going all in on Welsh, the first dog meme coin built on Bitcoin. Well, maybe all in is an overstatement on that, but I did just buy quite a bit more. And I did it by taking profits in some of the other tokens that we've been talking about here on this channel. Had some tremendous gains on two tokens in particular. One which I told you guys I sold recently, Ordi, which is a meme for a new token built on Bitcoin. And another is Sats, and I just took profit on that today, and I am shuffling it in to two tokens, mostly into Welsh. Big moves into Welsh right now because of a hypothesis I want to share with you guys on this video, but also a little bit of Gus because it's Welsh's buddy, another dog meme, guys. Now, none of this is financial advice. These meme tokens are very high risk, and for your everyday crypto investor, maybe this isn't something that you even want to even consider, right? Maybe this is a very dangerous thought. So if you're in and your hand is on the pulse, right? You know what's going on in the crypto space. Here's where my mind is at and why I'm taking such a big risk on these plays right now. Let's get into it, guys. Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I am Crypto Kip, and today I want to talk about Welsh, and I also want to talk about Gus, Welsh's buddy, and the plays that I'm making today. If you like the content, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's get right into it. So if you've been watching our channel lately, you know that we're very bullish on, it started with Ordinals and then BRC20 tokens and then STX tokens. Well, people are building things on Bitcoin. That's the narrative we're following. Here's a coin that has performed spectacularly over the last year, 5,100%. I caught from the bottom basically to the top, wrote it back down to here, and you know what? Right now, this coin is at a $1.1 billion market cap, coming from just a couple hundred million, and I made tremendous gains on this. So you know what I did today? I ended up locking in my profits once and for all, and I sold it. Why? This is just a meme token, but it's certainly not a dog meme. That sounds stupid, but bear with me, okay? Regardless, this is a token that I made a lot of money on, and so I took profits. Now, I did the very same thing with the Ordi token, which, again, I am bullish on both of these because I think people are going to be going nuts over Bitcoin DeFi in this next bull cycle. And it's because of this thought that we're talking about, right? Ethereum is an iceberg, and underneath the iceberg, there's a lot of development going on. Bitcoin's a bigger iceberg, and underneath, potentially, there should be a lot more activity going on in the DeFi ecosystem. And so we're very bullish on all things Bitcoin, especially as Bitcoin has been pumping, and the layer 2 solution for Bitcoin is about to break all-time highs and go into price discovery mode. And so my whole hypothesis here, guys, is that sure, I made some really great gains here, but what's new? What's cooking? What's the higher gain plays, right? Because I'm going for more risk. I'm just going to tell you guys. Now, if you're going more conservative and you want to stick with Bitcoin, I support you. If you want to stick with some of the bigger chains like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, maybe, you know, your Crow, I mean, whatever it is, you can buy your own bags, guys. I'm not telling you to buy these. I'm just telling you guys where my mind is at, what I'm doing, and being transparent because these are tokens that I talked about. If I'm selling them, I want to keep my audience aware of as I'm making moves. I'm trying to be as transparent as possible every single day, keep you guys up to date with every play. So a while ago, I sold Ordi, and what I ended up doing is I ended up flipping it into Welsh. And guess what? I put it in on the February 11th timeframe, and I already tripled the money. So that was fantastic. That was already a tremendous move. Now that I've had that victory, I'm thinking to myself, okay, what's going on here with all these? There's Gus, right? Hitting all-time highs right now. It's a meme token. It's a dog coin. It's a black labradoodle, black lab. The buddy to Welsh. What is Welsh? It's the first dog meme built on Bitcoin. In fact, it's the first meme token built on Bitcoin. And this is something that last night I had a poker game with some buddies and Black Sea, and you know, we were talking a little bit, and I just was joking around. You know, I don't like to try to encourage strangers and get, you know, push them into an invest. I don't like to do any of that, but I do like to have some fun with it. And so, you know, I just said Welsh, you know, and then they were like, well, what the heck is that? And I explained it's the first dog meme on Bitcoin, and you should have seen the way these guys' eyes lit up. And these guys knew nothing about crypto, or maybe I'm presuming, maybe they did know a little bit more. But when I explained to them that there are people building Bitcoin DeFi for the very first time, and now people are building tokens on Bitcoin for the very first time, and the first dog meme ever on Bitcoin is called Welsh, and it's a corgi coin. And you remember Dogecoin? Then they kind of go, what's the name of that token again? And then there is something about this idea of Welsh that is appetizing for people. And I know that crypto people are just starting to catch on. I've seen Crypto Banter talk about these. I've seen a couple other ones, a couple of the larger influencers barely start to talk about these. But honestly, I think you're still early. This thing's already only at a $50 million market cap. And you compare that to what else is going on. Like, let's say Welsh takes the market cap of Bonk. Oh my goodness, that's a 13x. If it takes the all-time high of Bonk, that's a 26x. That's tremendous. And guys, I'm just talking about taking Bonk's place, and who knows? Some people are speculating maybe this could be as big as a Shiba Inu, right? Well, if it is as big as a Shiba Inu, well, then that's 100x from current price levels. That's ridiculous. So I've got a huge bag of this. I've got double digits on this thing. So we're trying to make some money on these plays. Very, very, very speculative play. And even more so is Welsh's little buddy Gus. But this thing's only at about a 1.2 or $1.5 million market cap. If it gets to a $10 million market cap, that's a 10x. This one I'd be looking to take profit and flip profits in a little bit quicker. That's just me personally. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm right. It's always nice to take a profit on a meme token though. And if there's such low market cap coins, keep a little moon bag sometimes. Maybe you double your money, take half off the table. Great. Maybe that's your play. Maybe you double your money and you take 90% off the table and then great. Or maybe you take 10% increments after you double the money. Well, you could break it down however you guys want to do it. But at the end of the day, taking profits is key. Now, I'm also telling you guys this. In order to make this maneuver, I am selling some of my Alex Labs, and that might become a shocking revelation for some of you guys because I've been talking so much about Alex Labs. But this does not mean by any means that I'm bearish on Alex Labs. In fact, it's showing that I am bullish on Alex Labs. But most importantly, I'm looking right now for bigger gains, and maybe you could say that's greedy. You let me know in the comments down below what you think about this. But I'm telling you guys the moves I'm making. I'm not recommending that you do it. But I swapped some Alex Labs back to Stacks, and then I ended up buying some Welsh tokens, and I'm going to buy some Gus tokens here in a little bit to continue to get some of this upward action because I'm very, very bullish on Stacks. I'm very, very bullish on all things Bitcoin DeFi. I'm very bullish on Alex Labs, though it's already at $150 million market cap, and I'm looking for some big quick swings. I'll take profit into Alex Labs. I'll take profit into Stacks. That's likely what I'm going to be doing with these meme tokens, and I'm going to be keeping you guys posted with my personal plays as we continue to go into this. Black Sea and I have been talking more and more about these Bitcoin DeFi tokens, and I'm telling you that we're getting more excited about them. It's certainly something we are interested in seeing how these are going to perform. This could be the big narrative. We might be onto something, folks. We might be on to something. You have to do your own research, friends. I'm not telling you guys to buy these things. I'm not telling you to follow the moves that I'm doing, but I am trying to be transparent in the plays that I am making and where my mind is at, and that's exactly what I did with you here today. The first dog meme on Bitcoin. Can it make you a millionaire? That is a grand question, guys. You let me know what your thoughts are in the comments down below. That's all I got in this one, guys. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, folks, you got to remember to DCA, HODL, and of course, I will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. 2 videos right here if you want to check them out. Peace, y'all.